Hi guys, welcome to this video about how to replace a range of colors with another range of colors. So I've made already a video about how to replace one color with another one. If we have an area which has one color, just really one color, and we want to replace it with another one, that's pretty easy. That's in the other video. I'll put down the link into the description, so if you just need that, that's more simple. So if you want to replace a variety of colors, let's say similar colors, with another variety of other colors, let's say we have this here, this orange, there are a couple of at least let's say there are two colors, sometimes there can be more. Here we have just two, but we want not to do this manually. We want to have it replaced with a range of different, like a blue, some different blue styles or green styles or whatsoever. So what we need are two programs. We need the Gimp, gimp.org. That's a free, powerful freeware software that's highly recommended. And I'm always using the free Lightshot program to copy paste parts of an image. That's also helpful. So I've already copied the thing here, so I'm going just to replace the orange part of this. So I copy that, the whole picture, the area which I need, to the clipboard. Then I open the Gimp program. Doesn't take too long with this new version, and I go to File and create new from clipboard, and now we have the picture here. So we need two steps to change that. The first step is to select the area which we want to change, and the second step is of course to change the colors. So the first step can be done with the tools. We go to selection tools, and then we have different options. I mean, you can try with fuzzy select or free select, or it depends a little bit on the picture. Here it looks like the easiest with the color select, so I'll click on that. Yeah, usually when we open that, there is also a threshold. I mean, here we have the selection area, and there's always a threshold which is probably very low, and when you click on that or a part of the image, it only selects a small part of it and not everything which we want. So we can increase the threshold here a little bit and try again. Now it's a little bit too much. Now let's reduce it maybe to, I don't know, 20 or so. We can also enter this on the keyboard, and now it doesn't look too bad. Maybe we need a little bit more. So let's try with this one. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad. Maybe we don't have everything. I mean, you can try around a little bit. I leave it like this for the moment. So we definitely have the lighter orange and the darker orange, which is good for the selection at this moment. So we go to colors, color map, and then to the rotate colors. And so we have the source here and the destination, and here the source, I'm not doing anything with the source here. I could change that, of course, but I want to work with the destination now, and I reduce the area which I want to, where I want to have the destination in. As you can see, we can have different options, like more in the blue range or in the green range, or whatsoever, depending on what we include, the area which we are including. There are totally different colors, so that's pretty easy to change that. And really good thing, you can see it changes everything, so you don't have to pick everything again. Here unfortunately it didn't pick some areas, so I'll have to work with the selection again. I was already seeing that I have to work with the threshold or with the selection again a little bit to make sure that it includes all the parts which I want to change, and after that I can go back to the rotate colors and do this again. Of course, this works not only with 2 colors, this is just as a sample here to make it a little bit easier, but I mean it's actually pretty much the same thing if you have 5 colors or 10 different colors or whatsoever. It will change the whole range and not color by color. That's a different thing. So that's the thing which I was using now, and for me it definitely worked, and I hope it will work for you too. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.